Hello, and thank you for using TracPrac. You will be using the TracPrac app to log lab and clinical hours and your skills and activities completed at those locations. You will be able to digitally submit your log to faculty for validation and evaluation. When your instructor returns the log to you, you will receive valuable feedback and a permanent record of your lab and clinical experience. We're going to walk through the brief process of starting and completing a session within the TracPrac app. It's a short process, and you will only be using the app for approximately 6 to 10 minutes total throughout your day. Let's get started. Launch your TracPrac app and sign in using your email and the password you set up. When you sign in, make sure you have selected the Student Radio button or you will not be able to successfully sign in. As a note, TracPrac does not retain your password, so if you forget your password, please click the Forgot Password link and reset your password. Once you have signed in, you will see a green Start a Session sign-in button at the bottom of your screen. You will need to click on the button to log your arrival and start the time for your lab or clinical day. Once you start a session, by clicking on the green button, you'll see the new session screen. Please enable GPS when you're prompted. Then select your lab or clinical location, the type, which will be clinical, lab, or simulation, and the faculty name you want to submit the record to. Then click the blue Save button. After you've saved, please put your device away, depending on the site protocol, and come back during a break, post-conference, or at the end of the day to select the skills or activities you completed and add your notes. Next, you will select your skills. During a break or at the end of the day, come back to your TracPrac app and select the skills or activities you have completed. First, select your category or course from the skills category screen by touching on the screen. Once the skills list appears, simply touch each skill completed during your rotation. When you're finished, please click the Done in the top right corner. Now you can add your performance role, either assisted, observed, or performed, and add any self-evaluation or nurse's notes. Please keep in mind if you want to add individual performance roles or notes for each skill, select each skill one at a time. Once you're done with your notes, you must click the blue Save button. It's important to remember to click the blue Save button on every screen. Anytime you see a blue Save button, click it. When you're ready to submit your log for the day and leave your location, click In Session to submit to your instructor for validation and evaluation. Once you've submitted your log, you may wonder where your activity is. On the menu screen, you will see at the top Activity Log. This is where you can click and view your logs. You can toggle between an open session, which means it has not been submitted yet, and a completed session, which may be pending faculty evaluation or already completed. If you have questions, need help, or want to contact us, you will find that information within the app. If you click on Settings towards the bottom of the menu screen, you will see the Help tab. Once you click on Help, you will find information on how to reach us by an 800 number, our email address, or by chat, as well as some frequently asked questions. You also will see a couple of links. One is to our website, where you will find detailed videos and step-by-step guides. You can also see a demo video by clicking on a link that is provided within the Help settings. Thank you so much for using TracPrac.